Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the Elvis Smash Burger. So it said that one of Elvis Presley's favorite things to eat was a peanut butter, banana, and bacon sandwich. Today we're gonna turn that into a smash burger. One of the first things we gotta do is cook up our bacon and our banana. We're slicing the banana into medallions, nice thick ones so they don't fall apart, because we're gonna heat them up on the griddle. We're gonna start by throwing down some bacon. We'll get 6 slices on here for our 4 burgers we're gonna make today. Got that bacon nice and crispy. Now we're gonna cook our bananas in the bacon fat. Let's get a little caramelization on our banana medallions. Got a good crust formed there. We don't want these to be mush. We just want to get some color on them. You're gonna cook these to an internal temperature of, I'm messing with you. All right, still got some structure to them, but also got some texture to them. Time to get the burgers on now. Gonna hit it with just a little bit of duck fat first. And then we've got our Creekstone Farms brisket blend burger pucks here. This is an 80-20 blend. So let's give these a good smash. Get those edges nice and lacy. We'll do a really simple seasoning on this here. Cattleman's Grill Lone Star, salt, pepper, garlic, and celery seed. Not gonna steal the show, we're gonna add a lot of flavor. Get a nice sear on there. Great crust, that's gonna be great texture. A little bit more Lone Star. Then we're gonna top these, each one with a slice of white American cheese. I want that to steam and melt, so put down a little bit of water and close the lid. Cheese is melted, so these are ready to come off. Now I've toasted up some brioche buns in butter. We're gonna spread our peanut butter on the bottom of this thing. This is our smoked peanut butter. We've got a whole video about it you guys can go check out. Slice and a half of bacon on top of the peanut butter. Smash patty on top. And we'll do 4 to 6, depending on the size. These caramelized banana medallions on top. Top bun, and you're done. That right there's a hunk of burning love. Time for the taste test. It's weirdly delicious. I've honestly never had peanut butter on a burger before, but I don't hate it. Or the bananas, for that matter. Bacon makes everything better. It's a unique balance of sweet and savory, and you just can't help falling in love with this burger. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. And don't be cruel, mama. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made. I'm all shook up.